Look at this. YouTube, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. I need help. I drive a black car and it gets dirty all the time. What products are you guys using out there? You know what I'm saying? Like, you guys know that I'm deep with Jack's Wax. Those are my guys right there. Sponsored by them, love them. But like, are there specific black, like car wash products, wax products out there that I'm not aware of? You know what I'm saying? I'm not giving y'all the finger. I'm just showing you how damn dirty my car is. Like, help your boy out. Like, brake dust is wild. Look at that. Just regular dust is wild. Help your boy. Help me. Look at this. Look at this. Jesus Christ. Help me. Help me. Because I know there are like specific black car washing products out there. Car washing products tailored to black car washes. And recently, I use Wash and Wax, you know what I'm saying? Wash and Wax by Jack's Wax. And of course it gets it clean, but I want something that's gonna get it clean and keep it clean. And then of course, just on the daily tip, I use Hawaiian Shine to keep it daily, you know, maintained or whatever. But I feel like I should be getting like a deeper black, you know what I'm saying? Like right now it's filthy. And then of course, in like 30 minutes when I get it clean, it's gonna be dope. But I mean, like, I need your help. Like, you feel me? Like, I'm not making this up. What are you guys using out there? What's tried and true? What does everybody use that I'm just simply oblivious to? You feel me? It's about to storm. But help your boy. I'm trying to keep my black beautiful. My black is beautiful, if you're familiar with the commercials and stuff. But you know what I'm saying? Like, help your boy. Like, I don't be going out mudding and stuff like that. Like, this is just, you know what I'm saying? This is just the life of a black car. What are you guys using? Help your boy. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and get the washing her because she is a filthy mess. Got a car meet later on. Of course, you guys are coming. But in the meantime, be thinking about this. Help your boy. I need you guys. See you in a minute. Get something to drink before I even start to clean this damn big boat. So back to my rant. Like, I feel like I'm not cleaning black the way I should. You feel what I'm saying? Like, I feel like there's something out there that could take my black to a whole nother level, and I'm just missing out. You know what I'm saying? Now, one thing I will say, Jack's Wax got your boy covered. Like Hawaiian Shine, I live and die by that. You know what I'm saying? That Hawaiian Shine is another level. Like, I would buy, if there was one product that I could have, it would be the Hawaiian Shine. Now, I know in my last video that I did something like this, you guys tore me apart because I was essentially washing it from bottom to top. Oh, you guys tore me apart. But I've learned, and I'm gonna do better. Hold on, is there water in here? But you know what I mean? But yeah, like, I feel like there's something out there that could take my black to a whole nother level, like shine, deepness, richness, all that stuff, you know? I see stuff on YouTube all the time, how to wash a black car. That's my dude Tim. Yeah.
Yeah, so you don't do like that two bucket method. You always want to have a wash bucket and a rinse bucket, but you start from top to bottom.
Yeah.
You know, because you start at the bottom, you know, this is the dirtiest part of your car. You don't want to burn it up to you.
Exactly. That makes sense.
And always just straight lines when you wash it.
Like straight down or like across, like left to right?
Either or, as long as it's in straight motions.
Gotcha. So no circles, no swirls, nothing like that.
Correct. You doing it swirl, you're gonna swirl your paint like crazy.
That makes sense. That's probably what I'm doing.
You just a strap, a straight line.
Yeah.
It's super easy to take out a straight line.
Yeah.
It's like a circle.
Gotcha. So just straight down. And when I put the spray and wax, the spray and seal on, how should I do that?
So about the same way. I mean,
Okay.
Anytime you do anything, always straight lines, but
Gotcha.
always top to bottom, dude.
Top to bottom. Gotcha. Always straight
You don't
line.
need a lot of that spray and seal, dude. Maybe like 2 sprays a panel.
Gotcha.
It's so thick.
Yeah.
When you go and wipe it, it sprays and covers the area.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to do that. I'm literally about to start washing it right now.
Oh, so what, you making a video or you just doing it?
Yeah, I'm making a little video, man.
Gotcha. All right, man. I'll
Yeah.
you got any more questions?
All right, bro. I appreciate you.
All right.
All right, man. Later. Perfect timing. That was my man Tim, Jax Wax Gastonia, man. You guys need to go and talk to Jax Wax. You see what I'm saying? Like, I've never been in a situation where I knew somebody that I could call for detailing help when it came to my car. You know what I'm saying? Those are the kind of guys that you can deal with. Jax Wax Gastonia. You know? I'm telling you. So he said that you always want to go in straight lines. You know? Straight lines. I ain't gonna lie, this is kind of awkward. I assume, you know, up top you can probably go from left to right, but always straight lines, never swirl. Henceforth the reason I got so many swirl marks. I don't know what to do with myself. Wait, start from the top. God damn it. So, you know, like there's got to be a secret when washing a black car. Maybe not even a secret, just maybe kind of like a secret product that everyone uses that I'm not. You know? Talk to your boy. I can get it clean, but staying clean is the real question. And my dude Tim from Detail Garage, Jax Wax Gastonia just called me, put me up on game, basically saying you always want to start from the top, work your way down, always in straight lines. You know what I'm saying? Either straight down, straight across, none of this circle stuff, none of this wax on, wax off. I think that's where a lot of people are getting that motion from, is from that damn karate movie. I should probably go ahead and wash this off before this starts drying. These Brimbos, man. Power stops next. Power stops for sure. Fun part where all we need to do is dry it. Once again, Jax Wax soaking towel. You'll see. I shouldn't even have to tell you this. Look at that. Look at that. Just let it fall on there. Yeah. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah. Get that black nice and clean. Clean, Jimmy Dean. Let me put that away. Done with that. Oh, you'll love the super blue for the tires. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Just want to rub that in good. Wide body, but just a little bit. There you go. I probably put too much, but I do everything too much. Oh wait, I'm doing that wrong. I don't need this. Let me get another one of these. Not too much. Up and down. I'm trying to want to go in straight lines. All right, squad, so here's the final product. Clean. Uh-oh, forgot the, you know what I'm saying? A little wax. Don't want to leave that. But yeah, I mean, ultimately, I can get my car good and clean. It's just one of them things, like, am I maximizing the black? You know what I'm saying? That was a bad decision. Shout out to @DayDay392. You already know how it's going down. Know what channel you watching. But yeah, as always, guys, comment, like, subscribe. Let your boy know what I can do better. Looks good. See you the next one. Peace.